So this is what it looks like once it's done. It's just a wire from a cloth hanger, and try to make some kind of spoon out of it. And what I would use this for is to go inside the hole here and trying to bring forward as much as the calcium as possible, because it's hard to reach it with the hole sometimes, but if you bring it to the entrance you can get more stuff out. Another thing I did to help minimize the water going behind or inside the wall of the water heater and wet the insulation, I used this plastic. This is from a tennis can, a tennis ball can. I just cut some rigid plastic and I pushed it underneath this lip to try to keep the water from falling inside the wall. It helps a little bit. So you can see the deposits coming out. Once you move it around and put it close to the entrance, then you can use the hose